I'm Maddie, and today on JTV Kids, I'm going to be cracking this rock open with my bare hands. Just kidding, but I am going to be showing you how to crack open this rock called a geode that comes in the Geode cracking kit. Now, if you don't have a kit, don't worry. You can ask a grown-up to get you one at jtv.com/kids. Make sure you use your puppy dog eyes when you ask. In your geode cracking kit, you'll find some geodes, safety glasses, sorry, an observation chart. You'll also need a plastic bag, a hammer, a screwdriver, or a chisel, plus one grown-up. Could be your mom, your dad, your math teacher, or your Uncle Steve with the weird hair. Now, you may be wondering to yourself, just what is a geode? Geodes are rocks that look like, well, rocks, but have a surprise inside. Not that kind of a surprise. These surprises are crystals. They form when minerals are trapped in hollow areas like an animal nest and grow over millions of years. Pretty cool, huh? Well, let's get cracking. Place a geode in your plastic bag. Make sure you're on a hard surface. Put the chisel or screwdriver in the middle of the geode and... Totally kidding. You don't want to do that. You'll smash your crystals into pixie dust. Instead, give it a couple of light taps, then turn it and give it a few more. It's the moment of truth. Now you can use the observation chart in the kit to identify what kind of geode you have. So, it looks like mine is a Moroccan geode, and it's found in, wait for it, Morocco. This is totally Insta-worthy, isn't it? Thanks for stopping by. I can't wait to see what's in the next one.